Gamtong. We're making one of our favorite sauces. You can put this on anything. It's called Gamtong. What's Gamtong? Literally translates ginger scallion. So it's a ginger scallion sauce. It's like a Cantonese chimichurri sauce. If you ever been to Argentina or South America, they give you a nice sauce with like cilantro, garlic, olive oil. This is a Chinese representation. You eat this with Chinese barbecue. See, we all eat the same things. Mamma mia!
Some more.
Dragon fruit. You like dragon fruit?
Of course.
I'll fight each it. Sure, Gamtong better than the rest. This is a traditional Chinese technique, a hot oil method where they'll heat up oil and then they'll put it over alliums like garlic, scallion, ginger to really enhance and bring out the flavor, or even like chilies, and then pour it over fish or some vegetables. But what Papa likes to do, she likes to cook the ginger a little bit so the flavor is a little bit more mild. Papa is smart.
I like it different. Some people don't like it.
Some
people like the
raw flavor. Yeah, I don't like raw. We didn't use extra virgin, high quality olive oil. Avocado oil would work, canola oil, because it has a high smoke point. But we used olive oil because, mamma mia! Che, what? You cut left. You gotta heat this up, Papa?
No, don't get it yet.
Che, how come you add garlic?
You like it.
Mamma mia! So you're putting whole oil. You don't heat the oil. This is Papa style. It's not the traditional Chinese way. Add avocado oil because you don't care.
Container.
Ritz container? What's a Ritz container? Check. Oh, Ritz bits. Ritz. Check. Can't use 10 cloves of garlic. No. I smell it now. I'm very sensitive. I'm a sensitive person. One night.
This much.
Short thing. The oil is still off. Garlic and ginger.
The green one put on that.
The white one?
First.
Green one cooks faster. Easy sauce. Papa, look at the muscle. Jin Nong Koi. Oh, that's the skin of the ginger.
Yeah, the skin of ginger.
Always be careful when you're cooking with hot oil.
Right.
You're pulling a lot, don't turn it off. So you cook it for like 2 minutes.
Yeah. 1 minute. So now I put that.
Might want to stand back. That's the John Suk Yao Chinese hot oil technique.
Yeah, and then you add salt.
Now you add the green one.
That's it.
10 points.